Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Airbnb co-host portfolio. So once you're logged into Airbnb, scroll all the way down here, you'll see the option to go ahead and find a co-host. Just go ahead and click on that. Now right here, you can basically create your portfolio. Just click on find a co-host and you will be on this page. So you can use your current location or enter the address. So I'll use this address right here for one of my locations that I have listed. Okay, so we'll go ahead and use this, and I will come and put this in right here, 635 Clinton Street. And these are the top co-hosts near you. And what you need to do now is come here and click on connect with hosts near you. Okay, once you click on this, you can basically connect with the Airbnb hosts in your area. So if you want, you can go ahead and join your local club, right? For the hosting, you can just select your country as well. And now I can come here and post. Okay, if you want, but you have to go ahead and log in first. So click on login. So right now we're in the community center, and I'll have to log in with my Google account, which I used to create Airbnb with. So I'll click on that, and then I will come here and choose my Google account and basically just go ahead and sign in. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that. And now we are being redirected to Airbnb.ie, where we are in the hosting page, right? So now here, what you can do is you can go ahead and make posts for your profile. Look, this is my community profile, and I basically am available for co-hosting. I put in posts which people, like I showed you, will be able to find and look to you for co-hosting. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So come here, click on view profile, and then you can go ahead and add more details about yourself, right? Create your own profile right here. You can say what you do for fun, where you've always wanted to go, travel, what you're obsessed with, and about you. Like, put an intro right here. For example, let's do this. Okay, here we go. I've added a profile picture, and I've also added an about me, as you can see. A very detailed. I'm a Denver-based co-host, passionate about creating exceptional guest experiences. You can, of course, if you want, you can copy this or do something similar. Of course, have your own personal touch. As you can see, I am delivering value in terms of helping them maintain 5-star reviews and maximize their property's potential. Okay, I'm going to make it very effortless for them and successful. Go ahead and press done, and then other people will be able to find you as a co-host. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you.